Unveiling the legacy of SpaceX's Starship rocket, Ship 28. On a sunny Florida day, a majesty ascends. SpaceX's Starship rocket, the legendary Ship 28, readies for takeoff. Ship 28, the latest progeny of Elon Musk's SpaceX, symbolizes innovation and exploration. Every inch is a testament to engineering excellence. This marvel, standing tall at the launch pad, encapsulates dreams. Dreams of a future where humans become an interplanetary species. Beyond the steel and rocket fuel, there lies a story. A story of human ambition, skill, and the unyielding pursuit of the unknown. This is not just a rocket, it's a beacon. A beacon beckoning us towards space, the final frontier of human exploration. As Ship 28 takes to the skies, it carries more than cargo. It carries hopes, dreams, and humanity's unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Every launch is a leap. With Ship 28, we leap together, towards a future defined by the infinity of space.